chains are formed. Hi, welcome to Lab at Home series. Okay, so today we'll do a fun chemistry experiment. It's very simple to do at home. Okay, you require corn flour, which is absolutely easily available at home. Okay, you can ask your mother, she will give you. You need around 1 kg to do it properly. Okay, and then you require water. Very simple, very doable at home. Okay, shall we start? So my request is, again, don't just see the video, do it and experience the fun. Okay, and then at the end we'll discuss what's the concept behind it, what's the science behind it. Okay, so let's start. So I'm using here 1 kg of cornstarch. Okay, you can use more also, because the more it is, the more fun it is. Okay, so I've used. Now while adding water, just be careful, don't drop the entire water. Okay, add slowly. Okay, and start mixing. If you want to have different color, you can have food color, you can add food color also. Okay, so you can get color for this. Okay, I am not using any color right now. So you have to be careful, you should not add a lot of water. Generally, if you use gloves, you don't get the feel of how the experiment is, or how the feel of the material is. Okay, so I also recommend don't use gloves. The material is quite safe. Yeah. So you can see for that 1 kg I added almost 1 liter of water. Okay, but while you are doing, you should add slowly and check. Okay, you should get this texture. Okay, this is how you should get. Okay, now starts the fun. Okay, so is it liquid or solid? What's your answer? Okay, so I added water to corn flour and I am asking, what is this? Is it liquid or solid? So if I take little and start dropping, you can see it looks like semi-solid, right? So slowly, if I drop my fingers in, they are going in. Okay, now the fun starts. Okay, what happens if I hit it fast? See, my hand is not going in. So I can do a punching practice. But if I do it slowly, my hand goes in. Right? First. You're getting it? If I do it fast, it will not allow. Okay? So here I'll explain what's happening. Okay, so when I added water to corn flour, this actually is a polymer. Okay, so long chains are formed. You can see here when I drop it from my finger, long chains are formed. Right? You can see here long chains are formed of that. So it's a polymer. Okay, so what happens is, also this corn flour and water is non-Newtonian fluid. Okay, so generally water is a Newtonian fluid. It obeys Newton's laws, Newton's laws for fluids. Okay, but this one is a non-Newtonian fluid. It doesn't obey. Okay, so I'll explain what's happening. Okay, so you can see the demonstration again. So when I do it slowly, it's going in, but when I do it fast, it will not allow. It behaves like a solid. Okay, so I'll try to explain this one using simple materials. Okay, so for that I need things. Okay, so this is an analogy just to understand that what's happening. Okay, because I told you that there are long chains being formed. So here, just imagine these are the long chains of the polymer. Okay, and if something comes very fast, right? So this doesn't allow, because this doesn't have the time to adjust. Okay, But slowly if this comes, okay, and then it says then there is some time to adjust and it allows the ball. Okay, so the chains readjust when there is time and it allows. But suddenly if something comes, they don't have time and it doesn't allow. So there is a opposite force which doesn't allow this ball to go. Okay, for example, in water, if I try to use this pencil and I can actually move the pencil very fast in water, right? Here I can move the pencil slowly, but if I try to move it fast, say it may break, right? So there is an opposite force which acts on it when I do it fast. Slowly it allows, but when I do it fast, you saw the pencil breaks, right? So there is resistance. Okay, so if you want to know the concept even more deeper, you can write to us, because the concept is quite deep in this. So it's about polymers and it's about the viscosity also, Newtonian and non-Newtonian fluid. Okay, but hope you understood the basic thing what's happening. Okay, the long chains are being formed and it opposes the sudden coming of the thing. Okay, so the hand is coming very fast, so it is not allowing, so it's behaving like a solid there, and if I dip it slowly, it behaves like a liquid and my hand goes in. Okay, try to understand that concept, have fun and experience it. Thank you.